showing today our Forex 714 model made for Latin America and Brazil also, with an improved and safe and many functionalities aiming the exchange market. This machine is ready, according to Brazilian rules from central bank, to make exchange money, foreign money, receiving until 15 different countries currency in this device, and dispensing also until 4 nationalities of currency in this other device. This machine can be connected online with the company and make the exchange online with the rates applied by your company according to the exchange rates on the moment. So the machine can also dispense the change for the transaction and the receipt. The machine is ready to be installed around Brazil and Latin America also, to make exchange money for every company interested to make this business with a new and electronic device, a new electronic channel, which is a huge success around Europe and also Asia. Have about 2,000 machines installed around the world, and we are starting this model in Brazil and also Latin America. We are ready to help your company. Latam are showing in Brazil the equipment Forex 714. This equipment is ready to attend the foreign currency exchange market. We have in this device deposit and also a withdrawal device. In this deposit, we can receive until 15 different currencies, and to dispense, we are able to attend until 4 different currencies. The equipment are ready to dispense the change also, and to be connected online with the financial institution to solve the questions about the rules of to solve the questions. The equipment can be installed with your financial institution to attend the rules about the limits and the exchange rates also in online mode. We are ready to attend all the rules in Brazilian law, including the user identification with a debit or credit card. We are ready to help your company to install this device in your company.
How it is overall, does it make sense to take sales at this stage based on the high time frame? No. Based on 15-minute, potentially, yeah. You can confuse yourself if you look too much at stuff like that on the lower time frames. I can understand breaking down here, you might think, what, let's go and break this low. Cool, take it. But you've got to get past these levels first on 15-minute. Look at the 30-minute. Where does it make sense to take a sell in this? Probably don't, right? See what I'm saying? So at that stage, you don't really want to be trying to bust a trade in here. You might catch one if you know, like we did pre-London, what we talked about before. Pre-London, what's that candle? That's there. Right, so we know that that's coming. So maybe look for that opportunity because you know it's coming, not because you think, oh, it might push down now. I know it's coming because that's happened every day for the last 6 months. Or, well, not quite, but you get the idea. Just saying. So through your back test, you may see, regardless of what direction we're going, we get a pullback most of the time pre-London. Or if we go the other way, we might start getting pushes pre-London and then a pullback at London open. So you get the opposite if we go the other way up the chart, down the chart, up the chart, you just switch around. Keep that type of stuff in mind, man. That's the important part. Instead of thinking, oh, should I take a sell if this breaks this level? Just chill. Just understand what's happening in high time frame and do your thing. What about patience, man? screenshotting my candles for the great. You best not, man. Them candles were peak. They weren't even no candles. They were just like absolute. Nah, man. Don't play them candles. Come on now. As it's all, I appreciate you, man.